How to fix Instagram notification glitch on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this notification glitch easy and quick. First, just go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's an update here and then click on it. And if that doesn't fix your problem or you can't find any update or something like that, then just go to settings, type here Instagram. Type here battery. Now click on it and here enable ultra power saving mode. And if you found Instagram one of the apps in ultra power saving mode, just remove it and then close ultra power saving mode, and then just restart your phone and open Instagram and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.